Good morning. This is Saul Riceman here at Saul's Automotive, and today we're going to talk a little bit about a few different Mercedes vehicles. Now, Mercedes German-engineered vehicles have always been famous, and as they tell their owners, to be serviced by a German mechanic that can only service those specific parts with those specific tools, and that it must go to a dealership for all of these no matter what. Well, the reality is, in 1999, Daimler and Benz partnered and became one company. So Chrysler and Mercedes merged to produce vehicles across the board that were able to fit not only North American shipment, Western European shipment, and further diversify the market for both brands. Now, the downside of this from a German engineering perspective was it made it so that some of these vehicles detuned a little bit to the point they can actually be more serviceable. Now, some of the higher end ones still require a very lengthy time involvement with service. However, some of the base models, like the C230 compressor that you see behind me, can definitely be serviced by your independent mechanic with the same tools and equipment as almost any other Chrysler vehicle. One of the most common phone calls questions we get asked is, can you service this make? Well, the difference between this make when somebody gives that phone call is very small. Rather than say, yes, we can service your Mercedes, the answer is yes, we can service any Fiat, Chrysler, Daimler product, as they now all share the same tooling. So in the case of this rack and pinion replacement for this Mercedes, where the dealer quoted a $7,400 repair to a vehicle that has a Kelley Blue Book value of $7,900, we here at Saul's Automotive were able to replace the component with the same factory component, doing our labor here in-house for less than $3,000. The cost was 60% savings over doing such from the dealer, simply because of the difference in labor. On the parts perspective, we used the same componentry, we did the same alignment, we used the same fluids, and put it back the exact same way it was from the manufacturer. However, we're able to give the same lifetime guarantee, parts and labor, that the dealership offers, except the local dealership just recently changed and now only offers a 2-year warranty. So if you're looking for a place to get your Mercedes serviced that can offer the same quality of service, quicker repairs, less expensive repairs, and a greater extended warranty than the dealership provides, give us a call here at Saul's Automotive at 303-919-7769, and we would be happy to take care of yours. Thank you.